It's a time of year where everything is pumpkin spiced, even coffee, and I'm not just talking about lattes. So if you want to make your own pumpkin spice coffee at home using real spices, here's how I do it. To begin, you're either going to need to make your own pumpkin spice mix or buy pumpkin spice / pumpkin pie spice from the store. To make your own, I recommend the following spice mix. It's 3 parts ground cinnamon, 2 parts ground nutmeg, 2 parts ground ginger, 1.5 parts ground cloves, 1.5 parts ground allspice, and in this I'm using a teaspoon as that part. Of course, you can change the ratios to your liking if you like something more gingery or cinnamon or less nutmeg. It's completely up to you at this point. With all that added in a bowl, use a whisk and combine, and a tiny whisk does make it easier to distribute all the spices evenly. Okay, next for the coffee side. I'll show you how I make a French press version and a cold brew version using this pumpkin spice mix. For the French press, grind 20 grams of your preferred coffee on the coarsest setting and add that to the French press. Then add half a teaspoon of pumpkin spice mix to the coffee. Then add 10 ounces of 180 degree Fahrenheit filtered water to the grounds and let them steep for 5 minutes. And press down the plunger and enjoy a French press of pumpkin spiced coffee. For the cold brew, we're going to double the amount. So take 40 grams of coarsely ground coffee, put that into a mason jar. Then add a full teaspoon of pumpkin spice mix, and then 20 ounces of cold filtered water. Seal this up and wait overnight, and then pour this over a filter to remove the grounds. You can also do this on a French press, so it's all in one system if you have that. And I have other videos showing how to do that. Add a couple ice cubes to the coffee once it's filtered, and then you're ready to enjoy. That's it. It's a super easy way to make pumpkin spiced coffee at home. Thank you so much for watching. If you found any of this helpful, smash that like button. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next video. And I'll see you again soon.